Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today, I'm actually pretty excited to showcase this new Netgear Nighthawk M6 Mobile 5G unlocked hotspot. It offers 2.5 gigabits up to of 5G, and we have it provisioned right now with an AT&T SIM card. As you can see, it says AT&T 5G. But because it's unlocked, you can actually use other SIM cards as well. So we have it connected right now to the wireless network. We're going to show you these menus in just a moment, but want to get to some of the details of what this has to offer. So up to, like it says, 2.5 gigabits, has Wi-Fi 6 technology. You can go ahead and pause this anytime. These details will be in the description of the device. Needless to say, it can definitely do 5G and 4G as well, so it can do lots. Setup was very easy. Here's some more details right here. It has a gigabit Ethernet port, and it has a 2.4-inch touchscreen. So lots to do on there. And here's some additional details right there. You can go ahead and pause it and take a look. Comes with a charging brick right here. It's a USB-A port right there, and a charging cable. This is the USB-C to USB charging cable. And you can actually use this as a battery for your devices to charge your devices. There is the USB-C port and the Ethernet port right there. These actually come down, they're little door covers for antenna ports. So you can plug external antennas into each of these ports. One here and one here. And then you have the power on off button right there. So that's it for ports and buttons. And now we'll get to the menus on the inside. It's a touch screen, so just swipe up right there. We're going to start here on the left. You have data usage, and you can reset that depending on what you want to do, how to track it. Here's your internet. You get 3 options, as you can see, for that. And then we have the network map, so you can see what's plugged in and what's connected. And then down here is Wi-Fi mode. When I first got it, it was set up as 5 gigahertz only, but you can set it up for dual 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, so that's what I have it set to right now. So it'll work with the older devices. And then you can change all the other Wi-Fi details right there. It has different power modes, so you can have it charged, plugged in, or just on battery, whatever you want it to do. And then under more, you can check on the firmware updated on this device as soon as I turned it on and got connected to the AT&T network. So that was nice. Different Ethernet modes there, device information. And then you can change your time zones, how you want to deal with data. And then here's some information here on connecting to the AT&T network. And you can change this information depending on where you're going with this device. But it's very easy to set up, and there's your name of your SSID and your password, so easily connect to it right there. And I've been using this for about 10 days now to connect to devices on the go. And you can connect up to 50 to 70 devices to this, so that's quite a bit. And it can last up to 13 hours on the battery that's on the inside. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.